In a popular American TV show, fans were appalled during an episode where the main character was dumped by an ex. The ex had left a sticky note saying the relationship was over. It wasn't the breakup that was offensive, but the way it was done that felt so inappropriate. In life and in work, it's important to choose the right communication channel. This helps you to find the best way, also known as medium, to convey your message. Some schools of thought suggest that the medium is the message. So let's get to know a bit more about these mediums, also known as channels, which are verbal, nonverbal, written, and digital. Verbal communication means the words you speak, such as in a one-on-one conversation or in a presentation. Nonverbal communication includes things like the tone of your voice, facial expressions, and body language. Written communication happens in text form like letters, memos, and reports. Digital communication can include any or all of the other three main channel types. For example, digital written communication like email, text messaging, or chat messages. Video chat is both verbal and nonverbal communication. Using digital channels in the workplace is getting more popular, and new tools are appearing all the time. In many workplaces, you'll use social media, intranets, mobile apps, and so on. But face-to-face communication gets us the most complete information. We can engage all of our senses to understand a message. So methods that mimic face-to-face communication, like video chat, like Skype, Hangouts, FaceTime, etc., are considered more information-rich. Channels where we use fewer of our senses to understand a message, like letters, text messages, or a sticky note, are less information-rich. If your message involves human emotion and nuanced understanding, and if you need to get it out there right away, choose a richer channel. If your message is more factual and data-driven, and you have time on your side, a less rich channel will probably work better. Here are some more things to consider when choosing the right channel. What's the purpose of the message? To give information or instructions? Will it provoke an emotional response? Who is the audience? You'd typically be more formal with your boss, but quite laid back with your colleague. How quickly do you need a response? If you're changing the date of a meeting next month, you can wait to hear back, but if you need a signature to close a multi-billion-dollar deal, you'd probably want a response right away. You might also think about the confidentiality of the message, the need for a record, and the richness of the information. Though your main communication channels include verbal, nonverbal, written, and digital, there are many options that fall within these categories. When choosing a channel, you'll need to think about the content or richness of your message and the needs of the audience to strike the right balance. And remember, in the workplace and in life, the way you communicate your message is as important as the content of the message itself.